afternoon and welcome to In the Time It Takes to Boil My Kettle, What Can I Get Done? So in about a 4-minute, slightly longer, depending on how much water I put in the kettle and how full it is, will determine the length of time I've got to do some jobs. So let's put the kettle on to boil. Are we ready? Let's hoover. And breakfast bar. Let's do the office. To do in front of your sofa, you might have little bits you've dropped, like crisps and cheddar cheese biscuits. That is it. And the kettle's whistling. Let's go turn it off. And that's hoovered my whole apartment in the time it takes to boil the kettle. And that is excellent timing because I'm just about to make a cup of tea. I'd love you to come back and watch the next episode of In the Time It Takes to Boil the Kettle, What Can I Get Done?